हमारी मुंबई का सिर्फ एक ही फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट सेलिब्रेट बीइंग इंडियन एंड दिवाली इज कमिंग क्लोज. सो
हमने आपको प्रोमो भी देखा है हैप्पी एंडिंग में, जो हमने देखी है एक झलक आपकी, कुछ बताना चाहेंगी? काफ़ी समय बाद आपको हम फिल्म में देख रहे हैं.
सैफ मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है और मैंने अपना करियर उसके साथ स्टार्ट किया था क्या कहना में. सो फर्स्ट टाइम सैफ ने मुझे फ़ोन करके बोला कि प्लीज़ पीज़ेड यू मस्ट डू दिस. सो आई थॉट उसने कभी मुझे किसी चीज़ के लिए पूछा नहीं है और मैं बिल्कुल काम फिल्में नहीं कर रही थी अभी, बिकॉज आई बीन बिजी डूइंग सम अदर स्टाफ. सिर्फ भैया जी सुपर हिट इज़ अ फिल्म आई एम शूटिंग एंड आई डिडंट वांट नहीं हो. और जब भी बट when I heard it, I thought it was really sweet, so I said ठीक है, why not? And it was a lot of fun. He actually inspired me to actually take up some more work now. Well, actually I've just come here to support the film festival here. Only because it is our very own film festival. It ran into problems, and I think being the film industry, we are the largest film industry in the world, and it's very important for us to have a film festival. This is a festival that talks about exchanging culture, it exchanges movies, and it's very important to support it. So I don't think you always have to support things which are of monetary gains to you. This is very important for our growth as a film industry, for awareness of different kinds of cinema and movies. So I'm here to just support it.
इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है लेकिन इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड तक वहाँ पहुँच नहीं पाती है. द थिंग इज वहाँ पे के जिस तरह से फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जहाँ पे सारी फिल्में दिखाई जाती है वहाँ पे कहीं बॉलीवुड फिल्म का नामो निशान नहीं दिखता है, बहुत कम.
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स ट्रू. हमारी फिल्में पूरी दुनिया में जाती है, पर ये देखना इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि दुनिया में हम सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है. सो फ्रॉम आवर एक से एक जब तक वो फिल्म आई थिंक इट रन्स इट्स स्टीम ऑफ. बट नो, आवर फिल्म्स डू वेरी वेल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. And I think markets are different. What people need is different. India is the country जहाँ lot of escapism की cinema होती है. So the demand is very different, and it's the audience. If the audience goes and likes different films, then people will make more different films. But audience likes more masala films. So even if a actor wants to do a serious film, like this year's all-time favorite for me is Mardani. I loved it. Because उसमें पावरफुल परफॉर्मेंस थी. मैंने खुद ट्रैफिकिंग ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग पे बहुत रिसर्च की है. इट वाज वेरी करेक्ट द मूवी, एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मैंने देखा कि एक रोल, एक तो रानी तो इज़ अ पावर हाउस परफॉर्मर, आई डोंट नीड टू टेल यू दैट, पर उसने एक रेलेवेंट फिल्म की, सो आई थिंक एंड द ऑडियंस ने उसको थम्स अप दिया. सो दैट वाज अ रियली गुड थिंग. नहीं तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स ऑडियंस गिव्स थम्स अप टू मूवीज दैट as actors when we see ourselves in them we get surprised कि ये कैसे चल रही है, and then 10 other people offer you those movies. So I think that's also very important from the audience point of view to accept movies that have some kind of value in it or is of essence and relevance. When the going gets tough, the tough get going, and I think I would really like to compliment Anupama Chopra because she has been so wonderful and she has rallied for this festival. And I'd also like to compliment all our actors who have made it somehow or the other. People have made themselves available for it. So I think next year is going to be a bigger, better, stronger show for this film festival. And sometimes you have to fall down really hard to get back and be strong. So I think maybe, they say in every adversity you should look for an opportunity. So I think this has been an incredible opportunity for this film festival. And I only see it going from strength to strength. The only other thing I would personally like to see is whenever there are festivals all over the world, everyone comes all dressed up. So I do want to see everybody in Mumbai. That's like I would like to see them not just come in jeans and stuff, but be a little more dressed up, because that's just I would like to, because that's why I have made an effort to dress up. Because when you say Mumbai Film Festival, then it should look glamorous also, because movies are about that, it's about creating a whole new world and being part of that world. It's about fantasy, so you do want to see that largeness about it. But having said that, I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy to see that a lot of actors came and supported.